You're right, guys, RCADDICT. This was not a drone attack. This was not a drone attack. I'm trying to be my normal self and everything. I'm feeling better, but I've changed the plasters. Should have stitches in all down there, but this is all what's holding my face together. But anyway, we're here to talk about drones. But today, we're actually not. I just haven't posted a video because it's been so damn cold in Britain, and this is the first morning I think we're going to see the sun for, I don't know, it's got to be 5 weeks. I don't know. It's been raining, howling winds, everything. It's just been horrible. And how I get my goggles on, I don't know. So, 2 days later, I've been to 2 AA meetings and things. I already feel better in myself, you know. So that's 2 days sober again. I seem to go a long time and then fall off the wagon, and then when I fall hard, like an addict does, you really fall hard. Anyway, I really want to fly. I really just want to fly, but I can't. I'm whispering because I don't want to wake people up. Anyway, I'd appreciate it if you watched this video. I just edited it. It's nothing special. It's crap, alright, it's absolute crap, but there are 300 other videos I've made, so, you know, have a look. And if you're a new person to the hobby, then just have a look. There's tutorials, there's walkthroughs, there's loads and loads of stuff, okay, so have a look. But this is my kind of thing. This is what I kind of enjoy editing, but this is I just don't want it to go to waste because I spent a lot of time on it and it's kind of like not that good. Anyway, if you watch it, put your thumb up. RCADDICT, love you all, and I can't wait to fly because I have been practicing on that sim so much. Take care.
I've wasted so much time trying to be strong, fighting with myself, but I've been wrong all along. Can't take it back. What's done is done. Now I'm stuck in the past, running from this sun. I've wasted so much time trying to be strong, fighting with myself, but I've been wrong all along. Can't take it back. What's done is done. Now I'm stuck in the past, running from this sun. Fighting with myself, but I've been wrong all along. Can't take it back. What's done is done. Now I'm stuck in the past, running from this sun.